see, I was in Delhi for the budget session. It was an extended session. I was campaigning for Dr. Ketan Bhatikar, house to house, and the ground support what he is having and the ground reality, Congress candidate Dr. Ketan Bhatikar is winning hands down. Now about Goa forward, I was watching from Delhi. I think so during the assembly session, 1-2 days of the session, there was some misunderstanding, some tu me calling words. So it was unfortunate. And I think so as an alliance partner, Goa Forward has to participate and directly campaign for Dr. Ketan Bhatikar. Misunderstanding can be sorted out. As an alliance partner, there are channels of discussing and sorting out matters of misunderstanding or whatever allegations have been put against each other. But I appeal to Goa Forward, please come out. This is your chance to prove your allegiance. We know they have got good influence in Ponda. So I appeal to Mr. Vijay Sardesai, the president of Goa Forward, please set aside whatever differences are there. We'll sort it out. But in the larger interest of defeating the divisive government, the failed corrupt government BJP, please come and support Dr. Ketan Bhatikar. In fact, just before the budget session ended, one of their leaders, Mr. Durgadas Kamath, came there to the parliament, I think so, through some MP from Rajasthan. He had come to the gallery. He met me, and there also I had told, I said, you all should support the Congress candidate in Ponda. But I have not heard after that. But I appeal to Goa Forward. There are only few days left. 7th is the last day of campaigning. Please come immediately and campaign for Dr. Ketan Bhatikar.